Hello, guys. Good morning. Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. Well, we had the debate last night, and markets are looking to continue higher this morning. SPY is still continuing to take off. Diamond Dow is still rallying. Got the 1020 cross. The MACD Qs are also on the rise here. So looking good this morning. Jobless claims came out 840,000 versus 820,000 expected. Previously, it was 837,000. U.S. continuing claims for September 25th, 10.976 million versus 11.4 million estimated. So the continued claims are going down. I think that's what's helping push the markets higher, even though the initial jobless claims are a little bit higher. And that was expected with the airlines and Disney laying off people last week. So that's what's reflecting in the market this morning here. And if you guys take a look at our newsletter here, you'll see Tesla got an upgrade from New Street from neutral to buy, 578 target. Paycheck neutral to buy, 75. They raised it to 93. Spirit Airlines save in line to outperform. And then some downgrades here from some of the banks. Citigroup is downgraded from overweight to neutral, 57.50 target. Needham raised Roku price target from 190 to 255. Roku shares are rising 3% here in the pre-market hours. KeyBank raised price target for PayPal holdings from 215 to 230. PayPal is obviously on the rise. We're going to be looking at that this morning. Nextera Energy. Nextera Energy Partners from 64 to 73. Anything else here? Raymond James lifted First Solar price target from 72 to 80. And that's pretty much it, guys. Markets are looking good. We're going to be looking to make some more swing trades here, some possible day trades. And also, Carnival Cruise Line just came out with a statement saying that they're going to have Carnival 10Q shows management has concluded they will be able to generate sufficient liquidity to satisfy our obligations for at least the next 12 months. So we could watch Carnival Cruise Lines this morning, and that's going to continue to climb. And I love the news on that. So I think that's going to get a big breakout and continue to head higher there. So we got a couple of trades on Carnival. They're going to be looking great this morning here. So I'll be live in about 10 minutes, and I will see you guys in the trade room. Hope everyone has a great day. If you want to come join us and join us in our trade room, come join us, breakingchartalerts.com, and we'll be happy to see you there. Take care, guys. Have a great day, and God bless. See you later.